Hey guys, today I want to introduce you to a powerful AI voiceover tool that's absolutely free. It's called TTS OpenAI, and it can help you create professional voiceovers, which can be a game changer for making money on YouTube. You can easily earn $200 or more a day by using this powerful AI voiceover tool and by implementing some of the methods I mentioned in this video. Hey guys, Henry here from EasyTube Profits. We're dedicated to helping you make money on YouTube, even before you're monetized. We share tips and tricks, do review videos, and explore different strategies to boost your earnings. If that sounds interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Free and unlimited voice creation. One of the most impressive features of TTS OpenAI is that it offers unlimited voice creation for free. Yes, you heard that right, unlimited. You don't have to worry about running out of credits or paying for additional usage. This makes it perfect for content creators, especially those just starting out and looking to minimize costs. Voice options. With TTS OpenAI, you can upload up to 3,000 characters at a time and choose from several voices. Currently, there are 4 male voices and 2 female voices created specifically by OpenAI. Here's some samples of the AI voices on TTS OpenAI.
The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This simple fact has been observed by humans for thousands of years.
In the heart of the city, there is a large park where people go to relax and enjoy nature.
The library is a quiet and peaceful place where people go to read, study, and learn. The shelves are filled with books on every subject imaginable.
The train chugged along the tracks, carrying passengers to their destinations. The rhythmic sound of the wheels on the rails was soothing.
In the kitchen, the aroma of freshly baked bread filled the air. The loaves were golden brown and
The beach was a popular spot on a hot summer day. People were swimming in the ocean, building sandcastles, and playing beach volleyball.
Text-to-speech. OpenAI is a technology that converts text into speech based on artificial intelligence platform.
Text-to-speech. OpenAI is a technology that converts text into speech based
Text-to-speech. OpenAI is a technology that converts text into speech based on artificial intelligence platform.
Text-to-speech. OpenAI is a technology that converts text into speech based on artificial intelligence platform. Text-to-speech. OpenAI.
Text-to-speech. OpenAI is a technology that converts text into speech based on artificial intelligence. Text-to-speech. OpenAI is a technology that converts text into speech based on artificial intelligence platform.
Text-to-speech. OpenAI is a technology that converts text into speech based on artificial intelligence.
Text-to-speech. OpenAI is a technology that converts text into speech.
Text-to-speech. OpenAI is a technology that converts text into speech.
Those samples are amazing. These voices are of high quality and sound natural and professional. In addition to these, there are many other voices available in the System Voices section, giving you a wide range of options to find the perfect match for your content. Correct pronunciation of technical terms. TTS OpenAI excels at correctly pronouncing technical terms. For example, it can say AI and ChatGPT without any issues, which is a huge time saver because you don't have to spend time editing the pronunciation. Handling difficult words. In the past, certain words like affiliate were challenging for AI voiceovers to pronounce correctly. TTS OpenAI gets it right every time. This ensures that your voiceovers sound professional and are free from distracting mispronunciations. Accuracy and consistency. TTS OpenAI provides consistent and accurate voiceovers, making it a reliable choice for professional projects. Whether you need to pronounce technical terms or handle difficult words, you can count on TTS OpenAI. Access and availability. You can find TTS OpenAI at ttsopenai.com. It's easy to sign up and start using the tool right away. Currently, the only real accent available is American, but other accents will be coming soon as the AI engine is updated. Paid options. While TTS OpenAI offers unlimited free voice creation, there is also a paid option. For just $6, you get 200,000 credits, which equals 200,000 characters. This is a flat fee, not a monthly subscription, and is specifically for the voice cloning tool and faster upload times for system voices. However, the voice cloning tool is still being developed and currently only offers American accents. It might be worth waiting until more accents are available before investing in this feature. Practical uses for making money on YouTube. Now let's talk about how you can use TTS OpenAI to make money on YouTube. You can easily earn $200 or more a day by leveraging this tool in various ways. Creating YouTube videos. First, you can use TTS OpenAI to create high-quality voiceovers for your YouTube videos. Start by generating a script using ChatGPT. Then, use TTS OpenAI to turn that script into a professional voiceover. You can edit the audio in Audacity, adding spaces at the end of each sentence to help Pictory accurately split your video into scenes. Next, upload the voiceover to Pictory, which will automatically generate a video with relevant images and clips. You can customize these visuals to match your vision and add any additional content you want. Once your video is ready, upload it to YouTube. With consistent, high-quality content, you can grow your channel and eventually join the YouTube Partnership Program to start earning ad revenue. Creating video courses. Another fantastic way to make money is by creating and selling video courses. Use ChatGPT to outline and script your course content. Generate professional voiceovers with TTS OpenAI and use Pictory to create engaging video lessons. You can sell these courses on your YouTube channel. Additionally, promote your courses on affiliate networks like JVZoo and ClickBank to reach a broader audience and increase your earnings. By doing this, you can easily make $200 or more a day. Review videos with affiliate links. Review videos with affiliate links are another lucrative opportunity. Use ChatGPT to write the pros and cons of a particular digital product. You can then screen record the product in use and add this footage to Pictory. Generate a voiceover with TTS OpenAI to accompany your review, ensuring it sounds professional and engaging. Include affiliate links in the video description to earn commissions on any sales generated through your links. Educational content and e-learning. If you're knowledgeable about a particular subject, you can create educational content or e-learning courses. Use ChatGPT to generate lesson plans and scripts. Then use TTS OpenAI to create voiceovers for your lessons. Pictory can help you turn these voiceovers into engaging video lessons with visuals and animations. Upload these videos to YouTube and monetize them through ad revenue, sponsorships, or by selling access to premium courses. Marketing and promotional videos. TTS OpenAI can also be used to create marketing and promotional videos for your products or services. Generate compelling scripts with ChatGPT and create professional voiceovers with TTS OpenAI. Use Pictory to produce high-quality videos that highlight the benefits of your offerings. These videos can help you attract new customers and drive sales, boosting your overall income. User experience. Using TTS OpenAI is straightforward and user-friendly. Simply upload your text, choose your voice, and let the AI generate the voiceover. The process is quick, and the results are high quality, allowing you to focus on creating great content. Future updates. TTS OpenAI is continuously improving, with new features and accents being added in the future. As the AI engine gets updated, you can expect even better performance and more versatility. Customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions about using TTS OpenAI, their customer support team is responsive and knowledgeable. They are there to help ensure you have a positive experience with the tool. In summary, TTS OpenAI is a powerful and versatile AI voiceover tool that offers unlimited free voice creation. With its accurate pronunciation, variety of voices, and user-friendly interface, it's a great choice for anyone looking to make money on YouTube. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, review videos with affiliate links, educational content, or marketing videos, TTS OpenAI can help you produce professional and engaging audio content. By using this tool, you can easily earn $200 or more a day through various methods like creating video courses and selling affiliate products on YouTube, as well as through affiliate programs like JVZoo and ClickBank. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Just so you know, On the top left-hand side of the screen, you will see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.